How to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video, I will show you how you can send a snap from camera roll as a normal snap. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, whenever you wanted to send a photo from your camera roll as a snap on Snapchat, you would basically go to the camera icon, tap on the little photos icon over here, and then you go to camera roll section, and then you choose a specific photo, let's say for example, and when you hit the send button over here and then you send it to one of the specific people, but then you notice that after you come to the chat piece over here, the snap has been sent, but it hasn't been sent as a normal snap, but it has been sent as a chat. So let me also just go ahead and show you. You can see it has been sent as a photo chat and it has not been sent as a snap. So how do we send it as a normal snap? Well, in order to do that, I'll show you similar way. So you just want to come back, tap on the little camera icon again, but this time you want to tap on the search icon on the right hand side of the bottom, so which will take you to the search page of the filters. So you have to search for a filter called upload photos. So what we will just do is just choose the option called upload photos, or we will just choose a filter that lets us upload photos. So over here I'll just choose this random one right over here at the very top. Now once I do that, it'll ask me to select a photo. So this time I'll just go ahead and then choose that specific photo that I want to send as a normal snap. Now just click on it once, and then if you want it to use a location, you can allow that as well. And after you've done that, all you need to do is just tap on the location icon or allow it, and then tap on the next button. Now when you send it to that specific person, it will be sent as a normal snap and it will not be sent as a chat. And that's all it takes to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.